Hi guys, I'm Mace Palanda and I researched about the Bacoor Cavite. I describe the Bacoor Cavite as known as the marching capital of the Philippines. Historical site. Bacoor was founded in 1671 with a population of 10,165. Migration from Parañaque to Bacoor started in 1669, the period wherein Ilustrado families like the Cuenca, Buanwa, Parolan, Pagtakhan, de Ocampo, Gregorio, and Guevara established residency in Bacoor. Famous food in Bacoor. Origin Digman halo-halo seed was planted by Raimundo Ogalde Toledo when she used to sell them during the Japanese occupation in the Second World War. Their halo-halo business boomed in the 70s and today is selling up to 500 glasses daily. Isa din sa sikat na pagkain sa Bacoor ay ang tahong at talaba. Dinadayo rin ito ng mga mamimili dahil sa ito ay sariwa at abot kayang presyo. Ang populasyon sa Bacoor. Noong 2021, ayon sa census, ang populasyon sa Bacoor ay umaabot na sa 665,000 at ito nga lang 2022, mas dumami pa ito na aabot sa 722,000 at may growth rate ito na 2.56. Talaga naman napakabilis ng paglabo ng populasyon dito sa Bacoor. Old parish exists. St. Michael the Archangel Parish Church. Itinayo ang simbahang ito noong 1669. Gawa ito sa bamboo, straw at nipa leaves. At ito ang kapanahunan ni Father Mariano Gomez mula noong 1824 hanggang 1872 at napag-alamang nasabing simbahan ang siyang pinakamatandang simbahan sa Cavite na may edad na 353 years old at dahil na din sa katandaan ng simbahan na ito ay pinarenovate na ng mga magagaling na arkitektura. Ang mga materials na ginamit nila dito ay adobe, regular, semento at libo-libong egg whites. Patron Saint. Ang Bacoor may dalawang patron saint at ito ay sina San Miguel Archangel de Bacoor at si Nuestra Señora del Rosario de Bacoor. Government officials in Bacoor. Mayor Lani Mercado Revilla, Vice Mayor Karen Sarino Evaristo, Congressman Strike B. Revilla. Ang dialektong ginagamit ng mga taga-Bacoor ay Tagalog. Bacood Festival. Ang Bacood Festival ay kilala sa tawag na Araw ng Bacoor at ginaganap ito tuwing September 29. Marching Band Festival. Ginaganap ito tuwing ikalawang linggo ng Mayo. Historical background. From its ancient name Bacoor, which is derived from the Tagalog word Bacot, which means fence. Bacoor is suggestive of its role as a suburb of Parañaque. It constitutes the boundary between the mother town and Cavite LBG. In early Spanish time, Bacoor was thickly covered with bamboo group that ran from Sitio Zapote to Sitio Talaba, which many speculate is another reason behind Bacoor's name. Bacoor is actually a subspecies of bamboo.